Over 40 houses in a village in Pune district are buried in a landslide triggered by heavy rains for the last 72 hours. This after the Malin village in the Ambegaon taluk of the district was hit by the landslide after two lakes in the region overflowed this morning. 150 people are reportedly trapped under the debris. There are approximately 750 residents in this particular village that we are talking about. The district administration has activated search and rescue operations. A 100-member team of the NDRF is also rushing to the spot. The Maharashtra Chief Minister is said to be personally monitoring this grave development that has taken place. Pankaj Khelkar joins us on the phone line with the latest on the story. Pankaj, what time did this landslide take place, and really to what extent have the NDRF managed to really do away with the rubble to get the 150 people out?
The landslide occurred around 11 in the morning. The two NDRF teams, total 100 men are there at work trying to rescue 150 people that appeared to have been trapped in the debris of the landslide. The landslide has happened next to, almost near the Imbe dam that is located in Ambegaon Taluka, around 80 kilometers from Pune. Now the NDRF team are working because of the continuous rains. It is getting difficult for the rescue operation, but like we have said, the NDRF team are working and they are doing their best because the site is so interior, so remote.
Right.
To the main line, it is difficult to get the information also, but whatever we are getting from the NDRF people, they are saying they are rescuing, they are busy in the rescue operations. The ambulance of the district hospitals, civil hospitals have also been rushed to the spot so that once the injured or the other seriously injured people are rescued, they might be given the first aid and they should be shifted to the nearby government hospitals, as well as the doctors who have also gone to the spot. They will also be carrying out the first aid by other things that will save the life of the injured who have been trapped in the debris.
Pankaj, we're looking at the first pictures really of the landslide that was triggered in Pune at about 11 a.m. this morning, as you told us. About 40 houses are in this village that have been completely buried in this landslide. Also, you say that there are approximately 750 residents in the village. Have they been evacuated?
The local authorities, the district administration, they have evacuated people who were who were around,
right.
People who are trapped inside the debris.
Right.
The NDRF team, they are equipped with so high-tech equipment that they can, they have all the latest cameras as well as other rescue of all the equipment. So it is a good sign that NDRF team that is located in Talegaon, Tabade, so they have just reached and they have started the operation. So all the positive signs of rescue operations, what we are seeing over here, let's hope for the best and let's see that all the 150 people who are trapped will be saved.
Pankaj, is it still raining in that area? What is the Met Department saying? What is their prediction?
In the morning we had discussions with Met Department also, and they are saying these continuous incessant rains will continue. For the last few days, it has been raining in this region, apart from Mumbai or in Konkan, this region falls in the Sahyadris, and it has been continuously raining. So, the Met Department is saying for the next 24 hours, it's going to rain because of the low pressure that has been created in the Arabian Sea. But apart from the rains, the rescue operation will continue, though it is getting difficult or
right.
It's getting the rains are still heavy in this area.
Right. Pankaj, as you said that the incessant rain is making the NDRF operation even more difficult. What are the officials saying, are they giving any rough timeline as to how soon they are hoping to clear this particular area?
Since the NDRF officers are positive that they will clear the debris as soon as possible with the high-tech equipment that they have got. But only the hurdle is the rains. Because the construction, the material used in villages is not of that quality. The villages, the walls
right.
that are constructed with the help of mud, that will be removed very soon. But other constructions that has been done with the concrete, other things, that is only going to take time.
Right. Pankaj, do stay on with us. A quick recap of what really is happening in Pune as we speak. The NDRF is in the process of conducting its search and rescue operations after a landslide triggered by incessant rain in the Ambegaon taluk of Malin village, really is what we are talking about. 150 people have been trapped in the landslide. Over 40 houses have been buried. As we understand, a 100-member team of the NDRF has rushed to the spot. This village has approximately 750 residents in the village, and as Pankaj has been telling us, that it is the houses that were not pakka really that have really been the casualty of this landslide that has been triggered due to incessant rains over the past 72 hours. Pankaj, if you could explain to us a little more detail what the Met Department has said as far as its prediction for rain is concerned in the area.
It is going to rain for the next 24 hours. That's the prediction of the Met Department, and the reason they have given is the low pressure that has been created over in the Arabian Sea. So it is going to rain for the next 24 hours. That is the prediction, because it's being monsoon. It is going to rain, and this is going to cause the hurdle. But rescue operation is on, and let's hope for the best.
Right, we understand, Pankaj, that about 2 lakes in the region overflowed. Was there no way for the district administration to avert this tragedy, knowing full well that it's been raining for the last 3 days, that the lake is overflowing? Wasn't that a warning sign enough?
See, the exact reason of the landslide is still not known, because there is no word from the district administration as of now. But due to the continuous rains, the landslides, in which region has the landslide occurred, that will be the point of discussion. Whether it is near the dam, whether it is in the route of the water that is being released from the spillway because of the incessant rain, that all points have to be countered before concluding what was the reason for this landslide.
Absolutely, Pankaj. Thanks very much for getting us that detailed report. Landslides in the Malin village in the Ambegaon taluk of Pune. About 2 lakes in the region said to have overflowed this morning. The landslide took place at about 11 a.m. It has taken under it about 40 houses, and 150 people are feared to have been trapped under the debris.